How to delete Instagram Reels. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram Reels on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. So, first, open up the Instagram app and navigate your way to your profile. Next, tap on the three stripes in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, click on Your Activity. Next, tap on Photos and Videos, then tap on Reels. As you can see, these are the Reels that I've posted. So if I wanted to delete this Reel, I'd click on Select in the top right corner, then select the Reel, and then click on Delete at the bottom of the screen. You can do this for multiple Reels at the same time. And that Reel has now been deleted. And that's all it takes to delete Instagram Reels on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.